Are you looking for the best portable air conditioner with dehumidifier? With all the products available on the market, the process of finding the right air conditioner can be tedious and overwhelming. To help you, we've researched and tested many of the most popular products to bring you this best rated product. And this is the specifications of the product. Here's what other features can be found on this model. Here are the ratings of this great product. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you have any further questions, feel free to drop us a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as we can.